Moving on, a new space race is unfolding. This time, the prize is not just landing on the moon, but living there permanently. And America's NASA is now betting nearly $20 billion on what could become humanity's most expensive home. Our next report gets you more.
We are going back to moon, and this permanently. That's the big announcement from NASA. US wants to land Americans back on the moon before President Trump leaves office in January 2029. NASA will establish the moon base in the lunar South Pole region. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin will provide landers to deliver moon buggies to the lunar surface. NASA also revealed that private players would be providing rovers and drones for a sprawling moon base.
Now, Moonbase 1 will be the first privately funded lunar lander mission in history. The Blue Origin Mark I Endurance lander will deliver multiple payloads to the Shackleton Connecting Ridge, a strategic area of the lunar South Pole.
This is no longer science fiction. NASA has officially begun the early stages of building a long-term human presence on the moon under its Artemis program. The US Space Agency reveals that it would be done in 3 phases. In the phase, NASA tests robots, landers, and technology near the moon's South Pole before long human missions. Then in Phase 2, which begins in 2029, early habitats, power systems and rovers are built as astronauts begin longer stays. And in the final phase from 2032 onward, NASA aims for a permanent human presence with regular missions and expanded lunar bases.
Moonbase will be home base for our Artemis crews and will encompass long-duration stays, expanded robotic and human capabilities, and an enduring presence on the lunar surface.
NASA is competing with China to return humans to the lunar surface, meaning the American Space Agency is under pressure to appear to be winning the new space race. China has already landed robotic missions on the far side of the moon and is working with Russia on plans for a nuclear power station for its lunar base, which is plans to build by 2035. Space is increasingly viewed not just as a scientific frontier, but as a domain tied to technology, military capability, and geopolitical influence. The moon itself also holds valuable resources. Scientists believe frozen water exists near the lunar poles. That water could eventually be turned into drinking supplies, oxygen, or even rocket fuel for deeper space missions. Washington and Beijing are drawing lines in the lunar dust, and the second space age has officially begun.